boys, today we're going to get down to Elmo mix. This is what I'm going to rate Monster Elmo right now. This is what I'm going to rate Monster Elmo this time, please. And the way Monster Elmo says it,
As
you're watching Nickjr video! Hello everyone! It's me, Faith! Because boys, today we're gonna make down the Elmo mix. This is what I call the red monster Elmo right now. This is what I call the red monster Elmo this time, please. And the red monster Elmo says it. You're watching Nickjr video! Hello everyone! It's me, Faith! Because for today, we're gonna get down the Elmo mix. This is what I'm gonna rate Monster Elmo right now. This is what I'm gonna rate Monster Elmo this time, please. And the red monster Elmo says it. You're watching Nickjr